Do you want to come out? You're still shy? You were so not shy. What are you doing, Jude? The little puppies, they're not going to hurt you. What you doing, Judy? You excited? Yeah. You know how to play the big puppy, huh?